In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dial report from Aircall data. This guide will simplify the process of generating comprehensive call reports using Aircall's powerful analytics tools, ensuring that you can track and analyze crucial call metrics effectively. Let's begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Aircall and hit Enter. You'll see a list of search results, but you're looking for the one with the URL that reads aircall.io. Click this link to navigate to the official Aircall website, where you can access your account. Once you're on the Aircall website, the first step is to log in. Use your credentials to access the dashboard. If you're not already registered, there's usually an option to sign up, but today's focus is on accessing existing data, so make sure you're ready to log in. Once logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your dashboard. You want to locate the Analytics tab. Clicking on this will reveal several options, but for the purpose of creating a dial report, you'll want to select Call History. Within this section, you'll find pre-built dashboards that Aircall has provided to help you easily visualize your call data. These dashboards generally display a variety of key metrics, providing valuable insights into your call activities. Some typical metrics you might encounter include the number of answered versus missed calls, the average talk time for each call, and the average wait time your callers experience before connecting with an agent. Having a grasp of these metrics is essential to understanding how your call operations are performing and where improvements can be made. To tailor these dashboards to your specific needs, utilize the filtering options available. These filters allow you to narrow down the data so you can focus on particular timeframes, team members, or call types. For example, if you need to assess the performance of calls handled by a specific agent over the past month, you can adjust the filter settings to reflect just that data set. This targeted approach makes it easier to identify trends and make informed decisions based on the most relevant information. By the end of this process, you'll have a comprehensive dial report that not only provides an overview of crucial call metrics, but also offers insight into the specifics that matter most to your team or business goals. With this report in hand, you'll be well equipped to drive better outcomes and improve customer service efficiency. So, that's the straightforward method for creating a dial report using Aircall data. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to harness your call data more effectively. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your communication tools.